James Webb Space Telescope might be a name you have heard within the past few years. It refers to one of the most advanced space telescopes ever to observe the universe. It has given us beautiful images of deep space, such as this one of Jupiter, the Pillars of Creation, the Phantom Galaxy, the Carina Nebula, and many, many more. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, is allowing us to discover new galaxies and uncover the mysteries of supermassive black holes. That's all great and everything, but the more I hear about the James Webb Space Telescope, the more I find myself asking, who the f*** is James Webb? Here's a quick summary. He was a Southern boy from North Carolina. He was a lawyer and businessman, but he found himself working in the aerospace world. He worked for both the Truman and Kennedy administration. Ironically, he didn't have an engineering or science background, but many believe he did more for science than any other government official. He was the second ever administrator for NASA from 1961 to 1968. At first, he was hesitant about taking the job, given his background, but President Kennedy was convinced that he would do great things. Webb gave more control to the scientists in the selection process of science space missions. He created the NASA University program, which established grants for space research. He funded construction for laboratories, universities. He provided fellowships for graduate students. By the time he retired, NASA launched 75 missions to study the unknown environment of space. James Webb believed the space program was more than a political race. NASA needed to strike a balance between human spaceflight and science, because such a combination would serve as a spur for strengthening the nation's universities and aerospace industry. Now he's got a telescope named after him. Thanks for watching.